Greetings to all the panel speakers, greeting to all the participants, attendees. I'm Jayesh Ranjan. I'm the Principal Secretary for IT and Industries in the Telangana government. And it's a matter of great satisfaction for me to participate in the annual Game Plan 2021 event organized by the Federation of Indian Fantasy Sports. I wish this event all the best. This is a very important platform in which various stakeholders come together to discuss how to make this industry grow much more relevant, become stronger, and obviously multiple perspectives, multiple views are shared. So I'm sure that this edition also will be very purposeful and give us lots of insights in which direction this industry needs to be taken forward to. In Telangana, the state that I represent, we have come out with a policy way before in 2016 to encourage the animation, gaming, VFX, multimedia, AR and VR industry. Some of you will know that Hyderabad is a very important technology center, and the digital entertainment technologies are at the core of our tech prowess. In fact, after Bangalore, Hyderabad has the largest number of companies which are involved in animation, gaming, multimedia, etc. In 2014, when Telangana had become a new state, we were actually third in the country. We had, of course, the largest number of companies in Bangalore, followed by Mumbai, Pune, and Hyderabad was a distant third. But over the past 7 years, we have covered lots of ground, and today Hyderabad has the second largest number of animation, gaming, VFX companies, etc. We ourselves conduct a very signature industry event every year in October, November, December timeframe. And last year and the year before, we had to last year we had to conduct it virtually, but this year we are again having an in-person event. This is happening in November, and this will be called India Joy. The Game Developers Conference, IGDC, is a part of India Joy for the last 3 years, and this year also we hope to make that event a very integral part of the India Joy sessions. So look forward to interacting with many of you again in Hyderabad when all of us meet in person. But coming back to fantasy sports, as I said, Telangana and Hyderabad are important centers of this activity. There are many gaming companies who have been doing very well, who are really flourishing in terms of getting new products out in the market or doing contract work for large gaming companies of the West. And one of the reasons why these companies succeed to such a large extent is because of the good quality of talent that is available. The training institutions that we have in the city, the government ensures that they are up to speed. They teach whatever are the latest technologies to their students, etc. And whenever I interact with the gaming companies here, the feedback I receive is very positive. They enjoy the fact that they appreciate the fact that they get good quality talent here, and the talent is extremely affordable. And in no ways is the quality of the output compromised in any way. So, in fact, there are certain international companies also which have started outsourcing lots of their work to Hyderabad-based companies because of the good quality talent and a very strong work ethic and work discipline which is available. To give a further push to this sector, the government is now setting up a humongous piece of infrastructure. This is a 1.4 million square feet facility, which is called the Image Tower. And the construction of this building is going on. Unfortunately, as we know, for the last 18 months, there were all kinds of challenges and restrictions. So there is a slight fallback in our schedule. But I'm very hopeful that by the first quarter of 2023, this building will be up and running. So as I said, a humongous building, 1.4 million square feet. And it is exclusively meant for companies who are in the digital entertainment technology space. So something which the government is really facilitating a very high quality infrastructure. Amongst other facilities which will be housed in this infrastructure, there will be lots of common amenities, things like motion capture studio and preview theaters and render farms, all the common facilities that one would require for companies to operate. You need not invest into all of that individually. Further, we will also be providing, we are tying up with some very good international university or international school. We have started talking to a couple of them. If one of them actually, which claims to be the first in the world to start digital gaming courses. So some of that also will be positioned in that image tower. So talent development, etc., will become very responsive to industry requirements. I'm also happy to share with you, we are quite aware about some of the regulatory issues which are there in the world of fantasy sports. I know that there are court judgments, there are different orders, and the scenario is a bit muddied and complicated at this point in time. And I do admit that in Telangana also, there has been a pushback in the past about in what form some of these games, particularly games of skill, fantasy sports, etc., have to be encouraged, etc. But I have taken this responsibility upon myself personally to get a very simple and industry-friendly piece of regulation introduced in place of what already exists. And I have started that exercise in right earnest. I have consulted literally everyone who is involved in this domain, including representatives from the FIFS. I mean, they will vouch for it that we have spoken to them. We have taken their ideas, and the draft regulation that we have prepared also has been shared with everyone. So I'm kind of preparing the grounds for this progressive piece of regulation to be introduced in our state. The regulation which exists as of now was largely driven by the police department, because they had certain apprehensions about the way online gaming, etc., happens. So the new piece of regulation that we have drafted has been shared with the police department. Actually, they have been involved in every process. They have been consulted, and only after their complete satisfaction that we are kind of taking it forward to the next level before our minister and the cabinet and the law department and so on and so forth. So it's only a matter of time, but I can assure you that you will see a piece of regulation where not only self-regulation, but also development will be encouraged. So you just kind of need to remain patient and see what comes up from Telangana. And I'm very confident that this will be some kind of a role model for all other states also to emulate. But nevertheless, I would like to once again congratulate FIFS for putting together Game Plan 2021, inviting us to share our perspectives. And as I said, we ourselves in Hyderabad will be hosting India Joy. And I do hope to see many of you, most of you rather, in person in November. So the next level of conversation beyond what I'm sharing today can happen there also. And hopefully by that time, there could be really some positive and encouraging news to share with you. So once again, wishing all the best, great success to Game Plan 2021. And thanks very much for inviting me.